Here's why tens of thousands of couples trust this mouthguard to fix their snoring. In a clinical study, 97% of participants saw huge improvements in their snoring. They reported 68% less daytime fatigue. Not to mention, this thing is FDA cleared. That's how I knew I could trust it. Here's how it works. It pulls the user's lower jaw forward, stopping the tongue and other tissues in the mouth from blocking their airway. This is actually the #1 reason why Americans snore. Over 1,000 US doctors recommend this thing to their patients, and that number is growing every day. So don't wait. Join the movement of couples who are reclaiming their quiet nights from snoring and waking up energized again with the Somnofit-S.